Hi, today our topic is a trick to write or trick to remember oxidation and reduction reactions. See this oxidation reduction purpose definitions, three definitions I am giving in short form. Oxidation nothing but adding oxygen or removal of electron or removal of hydrogen. Okay, reductions addition of hydrogen or addition of electrons or removal of oxygen is nothing but reduction reactions. Okay, this is the trick box you remember. Okay, so next one is a square and c square trick. Okay, so this trick, see this, you must remember. Most of the students may have confusion anode which ion is present. Due to that reason, here I create this code a square. Okay, anode and anion is present. Here c square nothing but cathode cation. One c is cathode, another c is cation. Okay, like this you must remember. At cathode cation is present. I think already you have an idea what is anion and what is cation. Anion nothing but a negative charge, cation nothing but a positive charge. Okay, next this is galvanic cell. Okay, so here we have to take two beakers. In one of the beaker is filled with the zinc sulfate solution, another beaker is filled with copper sulfate solution. Okay, so it is arranged with here zinc sulfate solution arranged with one zinc electrode, copper sulfate solution is arranged with copper electrode. Middle one pipe like arrangement is there, it is nothing but salt bridge. Okay, salt bridge ions exchange purpose it will be helpful. Okay, so this is the skeletal formula. See here, it is one of the half cell, this is one of the half cell. Anode, cathode, both are combined to give one cell. Before going to write an electrochemical cell reaction, we have an idea about cell. Due to that reason, here I am explaining this galvanic cell skeletal structure. Okay, so after that briefly I will explain, but this is the cell structure. So negative charge containing half cell is anode, positive charge containing half cell is cathode. Negative charge left side, okay, positive charge right side. Okay, ions exchange purpose, this is the salt bridge. Okay, now based on this we have to write one electrochemical cell reaction. At anode we have taken zinc electrode. Zinc, it loses 2 electrons, it gets Zn2 plus. Okay, and it releases 2 electrons. Loss of electron nothing but oxidation, right? Next, at cathode what we have taken? Copper, right? 2 empty places are there, that is why it absorbs 2 electrons from anode and it involves in reduction and it may get copper 0. Here addition of electron nothing but which reaction? Reduction reaction. Okay, so what is the net reaction? Reaction is Zn here, reactants one side, products one side. Okay, Zn plus copper 2 plus. Okay, so both are involved in the reaction and given Zn2 plus and copper plus. See here, Zn loss of electron, that is why it is oxidation. Copper 2 plus gain of electron, that is why it is reduction. Okay, so for this purpose how can we write electrochemical cell reaction? Okay, simply you have to remember these tricks. Okay, cell anode, middle bridge is there, another side cathode is there. So due to that reason here I wrote anode, bridge, cathode. Okay, so nothing but in which order? In alphabets first 3 letters A, B, C, right? So this is trick number 1. Okay, so otherwise you may remember AC. Okay, so air condition, nothing but here A, nothing but anode, here two slanting lines, nothing but bridge, C, nothing but cathode. Okay, this is trick number 2. Otherwise you may remember L by R. Here anode is left side, already we are discussed. Okay, anode is left side. Okay, so next cathode is right side. Okay, L by R, this is trick number 3. AC trick, A bridge, C trick, here left right, police parade, what is that, left right, right, so left bridge right, this is second trick. Next ABC trick. Okay, any one you must remember, based on that we have to write. See here at anode what we have, zinc. Okay, it converts like a Zn 2 plus, Zn by Zn 2 plus, here we have to write 1 mole. Okay, next salt bridge. Okay, so it is anode, we have written. Why? Because at anode we are taken zinc. Next bridge, B, nothing but bridge. Next cathode, what is that cathode? Copper. Copper 2 plus 1m by copper. So simply you have to write like this. Any kind of electrochemical cell reaction purpose, cell notation purpose, is simply you have to remember these are the 3 tricks. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Maheshwari Chemistry Classes and share with your friends. Thank you very much.